In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track project budget in Monday.com, fast and easy. Whether you're managing a small project or juggling multiple assignments, keeping tabs on your budget is key to successful project management. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a straightforward system in place to ensure your finances are under control at every stage of your project. To get started, let's dive into Monday.com. First and foremost, we're going to establish a clear method for tracking costs. We're going to utilize the numbers and formula columns, which are powerful tools, within Monday.com to keep everything organized. Begin by adding these columns to your project board. The numbers column is ideal for recording precise dollar amounts related to your project costs, whereas the formula column will allow you to set up calculations that are tailored to your specific needs. For instance, you can use formulas to automatically calculate the difference between estimated and actual costs, giving you instant insights into any deviations. Once the columns are set up, it's time to input the financial details into your project board. In the numbers column, you will enter your estimated costs and any actual costs as they occur. Be as detailed as possible with this information. Precision is crucial for accurate budget tracking. As you progress through your project, regularly update these entries to reflect any changes, ensuring your data remains current and reliable. Next, let's unlock the additional power of dashboards. Dashboards provide a comprehensive overview of your project's financial health. We'll be adding a numbers widget to your dashboard to visually represent your budget in real time. This widget can be customized to showcase key data points, such as total budget remaining, total expenses, or any overspending. The visual representation is not just about aesthetics. It helps in quickly grasping the financial status at a glance, empowering you to make informed decisions. Finally, you'll want to ensure continuous budget monitoring. Real-time tracking is crucial to staying on budget, and with the setup we've configured, you can monitor your budget effortlessly. Check into your dashboard regularly to review your financial metrics. This proactive approach allows you to catch and address any anomalies before they become bigger issues. Knowing where your budget stands at every moment provides peace of mind and confidence in managing your projects effectively. Remember, the key to successful budget management is staying organized, updating your records consistently, and leveraging the powerful tools that Monday.com offers. With these steps, you'll have a comprehensive grasp on your project's finances, ensuring you deliver quality work within budget. So go ahead, implement these strategies, and watch as your project management skills reach new heights. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting.